Good morning. I cannot wait for us to be able to go back to our normal lives or some semblance of normal so I can start shooting these videos somewhere else other than my backyard or house. Change. So, just a quick exercise. What are you going to do this week to change? What one thing are you going to do that you're going to attempt to make some type of change? And my suggestion is write down the one thing you want to change and then write down next to it which of those three obstacles, whether it's fear of the unknown, fear of stepping outside your comfort zone, or fear of what other people think, or all three. Write down what it is that's keeping you from changing, and then underneath that, write down what steps you would need to take to enact that change, even if it means stepping outside your comfort zone or facing your fears. I see a lot of people posting videos right now with their opinions on what's going on with the George Floyd situation. I just posted something on TikTok about how there's a big difference between protesters and looters. That just because you're a protester doesn't mean you're a looter, and that they're all being lumped into the same category. And I'm sure some people are going to like what I have to say, and some people are going to disagree with me. Yeah, well, if you're a looter, I basically told you you're there for your own self-interest, so of course you're going to disagree with me. But if you're a protester, you're there to support the cause and to try to fix this race inequality in this country, right? So, if I worried what people thought, I would never speak my mind. So I put it out there. And the truth of the matter is, the protesters and the people that peacefully want to make a difference, I respect them, and, I'm 100% behind them. So I'm not bothered by it because they're not going to disagree with what I'm saying. And if a looter or somebody who's burning buildings wants to comment on my post or thinks something negative of me, I don't really care because in my heart I know what I'm saying is accurate. There's no reason for this, right? If you want to protest, you protest. Chaos does not create change. Conversation creates change. So, back to my exercise. Write down what's the one thing that's not working for you. Write down what it is you're afraid of, what's the reason you're afraid of it, and what baby steps can you take to try to overcome that fear. And then just go for it. Just do it. Just do it this week. Just take one thing, even if it's small, just so you can see a win. Take one thing and make it happen. Have an awesome week.